Okay, this is what we're doing this morning. 2017 furnace. Condemned it back in April. It's got a bad heat exchanger. We're going to replace the heat exchanger, but can't get it. Manufacturer kept on pushing it off, pushing it off, pushing it off. And it looks like the fresh air didn't even go out. Fresh air didn't even go out, did it?
No, it just stuck right up.
To where?
It's up in there. It's this piece right here, it cut off.
Really?
Yep.
Power's off.
Yep, power's off.
Alright, so we're gonna work on getting this out of here. Alright, we're just taking it out in pieces. Just took the blower out. Now we can, I think the cabinet will move. Wants to stay in there. Oh, she's got caulk in there. Oh, we're moving the whole coil.
Down, I got to get out of here.
I gotta fit through there. Off we go.
Someone tried to take him out from a distance.
Looks like a breakfast for two.
Well, when Covington PD cleared the house, there was no sign of the daughter.
Give it a little coil clean while we're here. Give it a little coil clean. This is what we got to work with, though. And just cram this crap in here. But what are you gonna do? There ain't nothing I can do. It's a rental house too. To open the union, yuck. And then come over here. That's open. Didn't even cap it off. Boy, oh boy. Here, how do you change that gas valve? Wow, how do you even light it? Boy, oh boy. Oh, let me get the coil cleaned up before we get that new furnace on here. So, didn't get much video trying to get this all done, but we got the furnace set, we got the ductwork done back there. We only had a 2-inch piece. New filter cabinet, 1 inch in there before. The venting, the fresh air came from this room, and it had a wide open chimney liner over there. So we got the fresh air up into the attic. And we are finishing up the combustion air right now. And then we'll get it started up. So we're doing a startup on it. We did a static pressure. We adjusted our static pressure. Adjusted our fan for the cooling. Now, check the gas pressure. From the factory, 4 inches. Static pressure is a little high. We can take a temporize, but I guarantee that's probably where it's going to lay out per temporize. So we'll get a temporize on it and see. But I think it's going to be there due to the fact. The fact is we got kind of high static pressure. We're like 0.9. Well, that took me and another guy 2 o'clock to get that finished. We got there almost 9 o'clock. It's kind of hard to get any kind of video on it because we're in a hallway and it's in a closet and there's no room. There's no, I mean, even if I took video, you couldn't see what I was doing anyways. You'd see my back. So what happened with that is the heat exchanger wasn't available. Goodman just kept on pushing off the manufacture date on it, and we couldn't get it. I had it ordered since April. So it was landlord tenant. Landlord's like, just go ahead and throw another furnace in. There ain't nothing you can do. It's not our fault. It's not his fault. Nothing we can do. So we got another furnace in there. Did a static pressure test. Adjusted fan speed for cooling. It's got horrible ductwork. And yeah, we checked the gas pressure, and boy, oh boy, that gas pressure from the factory is outrageous. So that's it for this one. It was just a quick install. I've been doing a lot of install lately, just because we've been so busy with new construction, trying to keep the guys up, you know, helping the guys out. Because on the service side we're a little slow, so I jump over to the install side. I installed one knobby in this week. I installed this furnace, and then I got another furnace tomorrow, and that's in another cram spot, and I can't get video on it. But we'll see. Maybe I'll get some video tomorrow. Alright guys, you know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.